Salam. Today I'm going to show you how to wear your NurAmira hijab. So first things first, you will find a big stitch on the back of your NurAmira undercap, as you can see here. This stitch always has to end up on the back, and also there is another stitch on the front of the NurAmira undercap, as you can see here, and this bit has to end up here. Okay, so now you just start from the back side of the undercap, and we just pull it like this and place it on your head like you would place any other undercap. And as you can see here, our hijab is on front, not on the back. Okay, so now you just place your undercap, and now as you can see, this bit, as I said, is on front. You can see this line right here, and on our back, as you can see, we have this line here. From this point now, it's easy. You just flip your hijab back, and it's already placed. As you can see, it's right here. You can see the stitch. And now, as you can see, on this side we have one magnet placed, and the other side we have another magnet placed. So now you just pull your magnets closer. They're gonna click, you pull, and you can style it however you like, whatever is your style. And you just flip your hijab, and that's it. This is how you should wear your NurAmira hijab.